Okay. Say hello.
Hello.
What are we doing?
We're making
Alright. And what are we making? Magnets. Okay.
Okay, everyone get a piece of paper.
Piece of paper.
Alan.
Give one to Alan. Good job.
This is for Martha, and this is for Samuel. And we're gonna glue triangles on this like a little mosaic.
Ooh.
Oh, Mommy, can you hand us the magnets?
Oh, yeah.
And then we're gonna put a magnet on the back.
But you have to glue.
So do you know what a mosaic is?
Okay. You're just going to glue them on in any pattern you want. See? And we're going to make a little mosaic. So you can pick one you want and put some glue on it. Okay? How many do you want? Okay, pick some. Here's some for Alan.
Okay, we're going to pause while everybody gets their triangles.
Okay.